Okay, to make these scones over here, make sure you have 1 cup of cold cream, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 can of those cute little mini sodas. I'm being daring and making half blueberry scones and half plain scones. We'll see how that works. So now I turned it around so that it could get nice and toasty brown. And there you have it. Wow. So Mom's cutting it. I'm just gonna try a piece. Okay, so go ahead, try it. See what you think. Okay. Oh my god. You're too fast. So you're gonna take a plain one and a blueberry one?
Yes.
Okay. Taking a piece of butter, putting it on. As Mom washes the whatever. Because I made a mess. You're gonna take a bite? Not yet. Do I have to follow you somewhere else? Well, it's breakfast food. So, you're enjoying your scone outside?
Yep.
That's good. Thumbs up. Dad's too busy looking at the moon.
Well, they get to see it after 3 hours after.
Okay.
No, I guess that's going to be a different location now.
Uh-huh.
So, I guess it's on the same area.
Whee! Our garden looks so pretty out here.